Leena Bhasker. I'm an educator by profession. I've been teaching science for past 23 years. I love to make videos related to primary science and education. Welcome to my channel. What is a case-based MCQ? How is it different from any other MCQ? How can you give case-based MCQ at primary level? Let's find this out by taking an exemplar from Class 5 General Science textbook, DAV syllabus. Case-based MCQ from Environmental Studies, Class 5, an exemplar. The introduction of case-based questions is probably in the best interest of students, because best part about this is that the case-based questions, they foster metacognition, that is thinking about thinking. These questions, although appear to be like classic passage-based questions, which students usually get in their English curriculum, that is the scene passage that they have to answer the questions given in the passage. But why it is different here? Because here a student requires to link the given case with the topic in the respective chapter and then answer based on his or her understanding. You will not get direct answers. You will have to have a deep understanding of the concept to answer the questions. Let's see. Read the given extract from your book and attempt the MCQs. It can be given for 3 marks in any of the pen and paper test. There are, however, some sources of energy that are freely available and which can be readily replenished. They are called renewable sources of energy. Solar energy, tidal energy, wind and biomass are examples of renewable sources of energy. Now, first question is, the sources of energy which cannot be readily replenished are called A. Renewable sources, B. Geothermal sources, C. Hydropower sources, and D. Non-renewable sources. So the correct answer is part D, non-renewable sources. But if you read the passage, then you cannot get the answer from here. So a child who has read and understood the chapter can only answer this. Question number 2. Biomass here stands for A. Medical waste, B. Plant and animal waste, C. Electronic and other e-waste, and D. Dirty water. So the right answer is B. Plant and animal waste. But again, the meaning of biomass is not given in the above para. Question number 3. This source of energy is freely available. A. Solar, B. Petroleum, C. Natural gas, and D. Coal. So, if you read the first line, it says there are, however, some sources of energy that are freely available. Okay, but in the last line, it says that solar energy is the renewable source of energy. So, a child has to link the both and then answer that A. Solar is the right answer.